Namaste. Meditation is a healthy, joyful, and blissful experience which affects our entire mind and body. Actually, our entire being, our life, is impacted by this profound experience. The preparations for entering the process is quite simple and can be easily managed. Firstly, we need to choose a quiet, comfortable place where we can sit in solitude for some time. We can dim the lights of the place if needed. This reduces the brain stimulation and directs the mind into calmness. Today, the most frequent thoughts that we have is that of time. We should not get late. Maybe we have practiced enough, and many such more thoughts keep coming while we try to go into meditation. To avoid these distracting thoughts, we can set up an alarm for the tentative time we plan to be in the practice. Now, we can either sit cross-legged or on a chair. We can even take a backrest and sit keeping our legs stretched. The idea behind is to be in a comfortable posture, in the one you can easily sit for the entire duration. It is absolutely fine to take a backrest while keeping the back straight, but not very stiff. Rest your palms, joined or separated comfortably on your lap. It is okay to change your posture gently while keeping your eyes closed if you feel any kind of stiffness or pain, discomfort in any part of your body. Do not lie down and meditate until you are physically too unfit to sit. It becomes very easy to lose consciousness and go into sleep if one lies down to meditate. And expansion of consciousness is the biggest gain of the practice, which we might lose in case we sleep. Now gently close your eyes and keep them closed for the entire practice. If you are doing guided meditation, then just keep listening to the guidance. If you are using your breath or your inner light or any other thing as the object of awareness, then just keep your awareness centered gently on the rhythm or that object. Whenever you want to come out of the practice, gently cover your eyes with the palm. Open your eyes slowly with complete awareness within your palm. And gently bring your hands down. This kind of ending will help you to transcend gently from the subtle experiences to the experiences of the physical world. I wish you all the very best. May you have deep understanding of self and universe, greater clarity, and a deep feeling of connection after your meditation practice. Thank you.